Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You are welcome back again to Nail Vibes, a channel as you always know that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending on your time and location. So in case you're seeing this channel for the very first time or you are here to subscribe to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that whenever any video is uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my pretty queens, as you can see in this video for today, I have the best compilations of new trendy summer acrylic designs. These nails look so good and very gorgeous that you can rock them to any occasion of your choice. So why not watch this video to the end in order for you not to miss any slide and also for you to pick the best slides to make on your nails. Thank you guys as you watch. Also, do not forget to like this video and also share it to your friends and family. And at the end of the video, you can go to the comment section and tell me what you think about this video. Also, in case this is not really what you want, you can also go into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can watch from there and also make your choices. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.